How to italicize on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to send a creative text by italicizing a text or making it bold, you've come to the right place. Now, in order to do that, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. After you've done that, go to the chat you want to italicize. Then type something you want to send. After you've typed it, long press on the chat. Then you'll see options like cut, copy, paste, and bold. If you click on bold, the chat has been bold. Now, if you want to change it, again long press on it. Now over here you can see a three dot option. If you click on it, now there will be other settings like italic, strike through, etc. If you go to italic, the text has been changed to italic form. You can change to other various form by doing this. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.